Integration by parts in under a minute. Let's go! Imagine you had this integral, x e to the x dx. How might you go about solving this? Well, I'll give you a spoiler. You need to use something called integration by parts. And it's actually very simple, and you can simply derive it from the product rule. We already know that f times g prime is equal to f prime g plus f g prime. Watch what happens when we rearrange this and take the integral. F prime g both sides. Forget f g prime, f g prime, f g. And you might be thinking, that doesn't look like it does anything. But once you take the integral of both sides, you'll actually see that this integration cancels out this derivative, which leaves you with this form of the equation, or more commonly written as the integral of u dv is equal to u times v minus the integral of v du, which is why sometimes you'll hear people, when they're trying to get you to memorize this rule, remember ultraviolet voodoo. Now, taking a look at our integral here, and let's just make it to the bounds of 0 and 5 to help you do this on definite cases as well. We're going to have to put x and e to the x in terms of our terms u and dv. I'm going to set u equal to x because simply the derivative will just be equal to 1. And then I'm going to set dv equal to e to the x because that's all that's left, and also the integral of dv is very simply e to the x. Now, rewriting all of this in terms of the integration by parts rule, we can see that the integral from 5 to 0 of x e to the x dx is equal to u times v x times e to the x. And remember, since we integrated it out, we're still going to have the bounds here, so we're going to have from 5 to 0 minus the integral from 5 to 0 of v du e to the x times 1 e to the x dx. And now you're going to see we get 5e to the 5th minus 0 times e to the 0 minus the integral e to the x dx is just e to the x, so we're going to get minus e to the 5th minus e to the 0. This term cancels out, this term becomes equal to 1. So now we're left with 5e to the 5th minus e to the 5th plus 1, which gives us our final answer, which is equal to 4e to the 5th plus 1. And now you know integration by parts.